How to change nearby sharing settings in Windows 11. In this video, I will show you how can you easily change the settings of nearby sharing in your Windows 11. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly you need to type settings in your start menu and then it will open the settings of your laptop or PC. Once the setting is opened, you need to choose the option of system. Once you click here, you can see the details of your system, and when you scroll below, you can see the option of nearby sharing. In this nearby setting, you can see the history of devices you have connected to share data, or if you have not enabled this feature, you can change the setting. As you can see, I have not enabled it, so it is off. You have the other option, my devices only or everyone nearby. In my devices only, you have the known devices and everyone nearby are the window devices near your location. Once you click on everyone nearby, the Windows devices near your location will get your MAC address. So choose accordingly. Here I have chosen my device only, and you also have the option to save the files and folders you receive by sharing, and you can choose the folder where you want to save it. After that, you have the option to rename your device. This is the name that will appear when you enable the nearby settings. And once you click on rename this PC, you will see the option of renaming it. Choose and type the name which you want for your PC, and that's all. That is how easily you can use the nearby sharing setting in Windows 11. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.